Morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we got the most popular smart band of this year, the Xiaomi Mi Band 4, and we got it from banggood.com, one of the premier sites when it comes to wearables, smartphone, and other electronic gadgets. Okay. So finally we have it here. Let's check out the box. We have a color touch screen here, notification display, sleep and step auto monitoring. So we have, I think we got a black color. We have 5 ATM water resistant, multi-mode sports here, and heart rate monitoring. Again, we got it from banggood.com for a great deal. Check out the links below if you want to get one. Okay, so let's have a fast preview of the design, okay, and the contents of the smart band. Let's have a fast unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. Okay. So, check it out. So far, great packaging compared to the previous smart bands of Xiaomi. So we have here the smart band. I guess this is the user manual. Let's remove it from the box. Okay, very thick user manual in several languages. We have here the proprietary charging cable. I don't know if it's the charging cradle, I forgot. I think it is magnetic. Oh no, it's cradle again. Okay, but much better compared to the Mi Band 2 and 3. Let's check out the smart band. Wow, nice looking smart band. Simple strap, simple design, but still it has that Xiaomi brand or Xiaomi style. Elegant looking. Nice display. Okay, it has a 0.95 AMOLED screen here, 120 by 240 pixel resolution. We have a silicone strap that is interchangeable. Let's check it out. Okay, so if you want to charge it, and we have here a proprietary charging cable here. Okay, that's it if you want to charge it. Okay, for the sensors here we have 3-axis accelerometer, we have gyroscope, proximity sensor, heart rate sensor, and there's an NFC version of this smart band. It is waterproof up to 50 meters. Okay, it is available in black, blue, gray, and orange color. So this one, it is in black color. For the battery, it has 135 mAh with 20 days of standby time. The body is polycarbonate and just weighing 83 grams. And let's try to fit it in. Okay, that's it. Looking good. Looking nice. Very sporty. Let's check if there's the juice left on the smart band. Okay, so it's already depleted. Anyway, what we are after is the design. On our next video, we're going to the in-depth review of its menus as well as the support app for the Mi Band 4. Okay, nice looking smart band from Xiaomi. So this is your Xiaomi Mi Band 4. Okay, take a look at the design, including the strap here. Very soft yet durable strap material. It clips nicely. It is lightweight and sporty. So this is your Mi Band 4. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Xiaomi Mi Band 4, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Goodbye.